Okay, so the video died. Okay, meaning the phone died. All right, so here's the thing. I don't have Quail scissors, so these are pruning shears. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to get right at the top, because if there's a bird there, or in this case, it just looks like yolk. Can't really see any development in there, but see how the air sac is down low? Nothing spilled out. The air is leaving that egg. Alright, so I'm sure there's going to be a couple in here that are developed. Alright, there's another infertile egg. Not just a yolk. So 3 so far. Alright, this one has development in it. A lot of development. But the sac, I'm gonna try to see if I can make where you can see this. As you can see, the sac is a little down, and his head is a little stuck. So whenever that sac comes away from the membrane comes away from the eggshell, they have a hard time getting out. All right, so wait, that's the fertile one. Let's put that over here. I'd rather see infertile than fertile. This is infertile. This is a yolk. Alright, see this? Look at this. Look at how hollow that is. Okay? Now this is a fertile egg. You can tell that there was some type of growth. You know, it's a blood dot right there. But it is almost completely empty. The air is almost completely out of it. I mean, the liquid. What's the deal with that? I don't know. So we're going to call this one fertile, but not viable. That is another infertile egg. Uh-oh. What do I got here? Oh, yeah. It's another infertile egg. It's an infertile egg, but it's not coming out. Alright, there's a fertile one. Whoa, and this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Look at this, folks. I cut that right where the membrane has trapped the bird. It's really sad. But, I mean, I wish I had better lighting. But there's literally, he can't get out. You understand? Now that membrane, he's grown in there. While that membrane started low, kept getting lower. What is the cause of this? Oh, sorry, fertile egg. Trying to figure that out. Infertile. Oh, definitely infertile. Y'all saw that big old yolk. Infertile. Alright, here's another one. Look at this. This is another fertile. But can you see the hollowness? Where's my camera? I'm sorry. Can you see the hollowness of the egg? See that? Fertile but not viable. And since I figured that camera angle out, let me show you this one again. See how hollow that is? And you know, if there wasn't something wrong with the egg being so sunk down and so much air in it, that had life in it. You know, at least the seeds of life. Hey guys, if you all are interested in seeing this type of thing, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and please leave me a comment, you know, for something that I'm not doing that you want me to. All right, now look here. Here's an infertile egg, but it's sunken down, see? So I'd say the ones that are sunk down are from the same age. We have a test in here that they're dated, so I'm gonna try to keep, I've got, I don't remember, 6 different dates. And I'm gonna try to divide them up into these trays. I have 5 trays. So I'm gonna try to divide the dates up into the trays. So let's keep going. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. All right, see, here's again. See, look at this. See how dried out it is inside? It wasn't even enough for it to begin. This one, see that little red dot, or that little dot? So that makes me think that it had been fertilized, but it just couldn't grow. So fertilized but not viable. What is that? Like, I don't even know. Like, that's like it looks like infertile, but it also looks starting to rot. And I smell a little something, something. This one feels hollow at the top. Oh, but infertile. Yeah. See, look at that, man. Look at how much. Sorry, I busted the membrane that was. But look at that. Look at how much of the membrane is sucked down. And then it's this one is infertile. Oops, infertile. Infertile. Also kind of stuck behind the membrane. See some. These will be rotted. See how the membrane is pulling away. Call that one infertile. He don't want to pop. I thought it'd be fun to take it apart like that. Alright, so definitely fertile and membrane wrapped. Wrapped in the membrane. See, whenever it gets to that, and here's the thing, these eggs aren't old. They're less than a week old when I get them. They're in rotation. I don't think these people are lying to me, okay? I just think that there's something about something. I'm trying to figure it out, okay? But it's membrane wrapped. They can't get out. Definitely fertile. That thing developed. So far we had 3 develop. I had 2 that I pulled out earlier. All right, infertile. This one right here, I think. Yeah, he was starting to pip. Never saw this one where I would have helped him. But that's the thing about these incubators, man. Like, they're such a good hatch rate. It's just sad when this happens. I mean, look at this guy. He's almost dry. I don't know. He couldn't get out. So crazy to me. So look at that. He's fluffy, but he couldn't get out. He had pipped all the way around, but he didn't get out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just like the shell had broke, but the membrane was still there. So maybe it was starting to close in on him. Alright, so infertile. I know this takes a second, guys, so anybody that likes to, you can speed up, of course. That was infertile. Oh, infertile. Oh, infertile. Infertile. Infertile's a whole lot less sad. Infertile. Infertile. Oh, there we go. Check it out. Quite a lot of growth, but again, wrapped down. Can't keep going. You know, it just stops. Got me. Infertile. This just grows how it like doesn't really, just changes color. Infertile. Alright, but look here, perfect example. Look at there. Oop, busted a little bit. But it's got the membrane. And look, I chopped the whole top off. If that had been fertile, it probably would have died. But it wasn't. Here's another top. See that? The top is holding it. Top is missing. Infertile. There's got to be a name for this. Recessed membrane, infertile. Alright, infertile. Alright, so out of 3 dozen and 3. Oh wait, there's one more. I saved this one for last because I don't think I always get, seems like, at least one egg that looks like this from them. I don't think it's ever hatched. Whoa, look at that. See how deep that hollow is? I mean, it's a bigger egg. Look at that. All right, so out of 3 dozen and 3, there were 5 developed birds. So 3 dozen is 36, 39. There was 5, 34. And out of those 34, 6, which includes this one, I don't know what that's about. Sorry, 5. This one, all dried up. Check it out, man. So 34 minus 5 is 29. Oops. Now I'm just tossing them in the wrong bucket. I don't guess it matters at this point. So we have almost 2.5 dozen infertile eggs. So let's do the math. All right, so we had 29 out of this batch, 11 out of the last batch. That's 40 eggs. Infertile. Infertile or inviable, okay? We did 120 and 156. So that's 176. So 40 out of 176 were infertile. What percent is that? 4, 8, 12, 16, a little over 25% infertile. I think. I'll do the math on that later, but I think that's right. 4, 8, 12, 16, 116. Yeah. So, %? No. 70% fertility rate overall. I think that's fair. 70% without doing the math on the calculator of that, but 70% fertility rate. And then there's something going on, guys, that gives us these results. Sad, empty shells, and half growth, and then stop. Just anyway. So there's the egg autopsy of the 156. There you go. Thank you for joining in. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and come in. We've got 40 that are going in from here to here on the 30th. And then they're coming out of 48. Then they're coming out of here on the 3rd. And then we'll be doing this again on the 7th. Peace out.